Okay. Hold on. Okay, guys. So where's the pump.phone? Okay, so this is pump.phone. Okay, for my YouTubers. Okay, this is my um live session. I do this live session on BitGet. I do live stream on BitGet, right? So whenever I'm doing the live stream on BitGet, I video it and give it to you guys on YouTube. I want you guys to know what I'm doing. Like if I'm trading, if I'm doing analysis, you should watch it live, how everything is playing out, right? So um pump.phone, what I'm going to do here is fundamental analysis. It's not technical analysis. Yeah, I can do technical analysis like this and everything will play out, right? But I'm not going to do technical analysis. I'll do fundamental analysis using other coins, right? Using other projects to show you guys example what is happening in this space. Now, looking at it here, pump.phone is at a discounted price. This is the best time to buy pump.phone. Now, why do I say that this is the best time to buy pump.phone? Looking at it here, pump.com is at price of 0.0049. Now, pump.com is one of the biggest and popular, DEX. For those of you that don't know what DEX means decentralized exchange, right? And it's built one of the, most popular DEX on Solana blockchain. And you know what Solana is doing right now. Like for long, Solana has been a very good ecosystem blockchain where different projects build their tokens there on the Solana blockchain. And like you say, okay, let's do this. Let's go here. I want to show you guys example on Cake. Now this is Cake. Cake is trading at price of $2.6. Let's go and check Cake all-time high. Let's go and check Cake all-time high. Please stay with me. I'm going somewhere. I'm going somewhere. Like I said, this is fundamental analysis. This is not technical analysis, right? So that you understand. I will give you guys fundamental analysis so that you understand where pump.phone is going. So Cake here, trading view is showing that Cake all-time high was $44. Do you know the reason why Cake go to this price? Cake go to this price. Why? Because Cake was the biggest DEX on BNB ecosystem. Cake was the biggest, right? And at that time, BNB was moving, right? BNB was moving. Hold on, guys. Let me check. Information that I'm just getting. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Hmm. Right. So pump. Sorry. You know, Pancake Swap was the biggest DEX on the BNB ecosystem, which means if anybody like we have different coins, different project that was building on BNB blockchain, right? And if any coin that is built on BNB blockchain, if you want to swap it, everybody is going to pancake swap, right? Everybody were going to pancake swap, and then pancake swap created the token which is Cake. That was the reason why Cake moved to this price, right? And let me show you example on Uniswap again. Uniswap. I'm going somewhere. This is fundamental analysis I'm giving you guys, not really technical analysis, right? But you are going to understand something here. So let's go on the Uniswap. Uniswap. Okay, let me just use this. So what is the Uniswap? What was the Uniswap all-time high? So according to TradingView, Uniswap all-time high was $19. Currently, Uniswap is trading at price of $9. See, Uniswap dropped down to $5 and currently is trading at $9. Did you know the reason why Uniswap moved to that price of $19? $19, right? $19. The reason was because Uniswap also was the one of the biggest, or biggest, if not the biggest, DEX that was, supporting Ethereum blockchain. Like any coins, any tokens that was built on Ethereum blockchain. If you ask anybody where to swap that coin, it's on Uniswap. Everybody Uniswap. Everybody Uniswap. So people were, projects were building, tokens on Ethereum blockchain, and then swapping it using Uniswap to trade it as a DEX, right? From there, Uniswap, came out with their own tokens, which was Uni, right? And because Ethereum blockchain was booming, and projects were building on Ethereum blockchain, and Uniswap was the gateway for people to come there and trade the coin, then Uni decided to skyrocket in price. That was the reason why Uniswap Uniswap rise to that level. Sorry. That was the reason why Uniswap moved to that level. So do you understand? Now, everything that I explained here, Uniswap, Uniswap. Oh my goodness, I receiving message. So please. Oh my gosh, I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. I'm coming. Right? Okay. So Uniswap, the comparison of Uniswap and PancakeSwap, you see that is the same thing. Now, this is the same thing that is going to happen on Pump. This is the same thing that is going to happen on Pump. Currently, Solana blockchain is like it's moving, like it's not disappointing at all. And you see that all the meme coins, like most meme coins, they are building, and they are building them on Solana blockchain. Why? Because the blockchain is doing well. The blockchain is doing well, and transaction fee is very low. Transaction charges is very low. Unlike Ethereum, Ethereum transaction fee reduced now, not like 2020 when we were trading Solana. Trading on PancakeSwap using tokens built on Ethereum blockchain. You see that if you want to buy a coin worth of $10, you are going to pay transaction charges $20. That was crazy. I think I actually wanted to kill us beginners. Oh god, that was crazy, guys. Like that was crazy. So the same thing is going to happen here. Now let's check Pump. Pump.fun is actually like moving, like one of the biggest decks that people are trading meme coins on it, and you see that meme coins are going there. Look at Bitget. Bitget just launched their Bitget on chain. Just I think this is 2 or 3 months that Bitget on chain. Bitget listed their platform, Bitget on chain. Bitget on chain is a place where you can trade meme coins. Only meme coins go there, right? So there are some coins or token that graduate from meme coin, from Bitget on chain to spot trading, and they're no longer meme coin or stuff like that. They upgrade, stuff like that, right? But that place, you see that different tokens are listing there every single day. Every single day, every single day, every single day, every single day. They just come, and just imagine Pump.fun that they are doing this for a while, and their own is just Solana. You go on Pump.fun, you see different tokens, different meme coins, trading there, and you see all of them. You see the volume. So that means there are millions of people on Pump.fun trading. So Pump.fun is is an exchange, right? It's an exchange. It's an exchange. So for them bringing out their coin right now, their assets right now, it means Pump.fun is going to do very, very well. So look at it. Let's go down on the 4 hours time frame. Let's check. So guys, Pump.fun, for me, Pump is a very good project, and at this point in time, like where Pump.fun is now, Pump is now is at a discounted price where you should get into it, right? It's is a discounted price. I was singing this same thing on XRP. Let me show you something. Let me just switch, right? I was singing the same thing I was singing on XRP. Thank you, Mama. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. So I was singing this on XRP. Look at my XRP analysis. Look at my XRP analysis. Let me show you guys my XRP analysis. Look at my XRP analysis. Everything play out. XRP is going to $5. Look at where I get into XRP. I get into XRP at $2 at 9 cents. That's 37 cents. Yeah, that was here where this line is. It was a breakout. That breakout that made me get into XRP. Now, let me show you guys something. This is a very strong breakout. This same strong breakout is happening on Dogecoin. Bro, like this is crazy. Now, if you check my Twitter, I dropped this analysis, this XRP analysis, that XRP is going to $5. This place here, I wrote the main key level. This key level was the main key level that make XRP not to break out, right? If you check here, XRP actually consolidate here, give us a sharp rejection. But that sharp rejection, I knew that is an imbalance. So it's going to consolidate there. From there, it will give us a breakout. That's why if you look down here, look into this, you see that I write something, support breakout. I write support breakout. Sorry. Oh my goodness. So if you check here, I write support breakout. So there was a rejection here, and I knew that the reason why that strong rejection happened was because of this key level. This key level was a major key level. So XRP needed to consolidate there, right? And the breakout is going to happen, and that breakout, once it's actually peak, right? Now we are going on Doge, guys. I'm bullish on Doge already. Let me share you guys something. Let me show you guys what Doge is going to happen, guys. The same discounted price I'm singing on Pump is the same discounted price I'm singing, or I was singing on Doge, right? Look at it. Let's go on a daytime frame on Doge. You are going to see it clearly. You are going to see everything by your own self, right? Oh, thank you very much. Thank you, Mama. A good project. Yes, Mama. It's a very good project. Very, very good project. Very, very good project. So now let me show you guys something on Doge, guys. Doge is also at discounted price. I started singing Doge. This is 1 hour time frame. Now I wasn't in Doge at all. Like I did not even plan to buy Doge at all. In my analysis, in my investment list, coins, tokens that I put in my list that I'm going to invest in, right? I actually budgeted $1,000 for XRP alone, right? But when I see that, okay, I was just analyzing, and I was like, okay, let me check Doge, and like, okay, I analyze it. Coming to analyze Doge, I saw something here. I saw that Doge was actually forming a double bottom. What is double bottom? Most people don't know double bottom. Double bottom is a reversal pattern. If it is forming down, we call it double bottom. It's forming up, we call it double top, right? So I see that Doge is actually forming double bottom, right? So double bottom, if it's down, it forms like W, and then if it's up, it forms like M. It form like N. So this is the 4 angles that form like V from the W down here, and this is the neck. So let me draw it again. Hold on, I'll show you. Oh, thank you for joining. So I'll show you guys. All right, let me use this part. So this is actually W. Now I'm going to show you guys double bottom too. Double bottom happen on Solana. Double bottom happen on Solana. So this is double bottom. This is the V here. Go here. This is the neck. It will come down here. This is another V on the double bottom. It will come here. Now it's going to consolidate here, right? It's going to consolidate here. Then it will break out. But once it break out, nobody's going to catch Dogecoin. So when it break out, you just do here this, and it just move around this place, and it will come back from the neck. Any coin, any market that break out must come back and retest for confirmation. Why? Because where it was consolidating was actually a resistance. For example, Doge, where Doge is consolidating to break out, is a resistance. So once we see a breakout on Doge, Doge will move up and come back and drop at that place, pull back, retest at that place, giving us a confirmation that Doge is turning this place to a support level. So we are going to see a support level from the neck of W, or from the neck of double bottom, which is W, that form like W, and it's going to pick up again. Once it pick up here, I see Doge going back to 0.46 something. Now if we check Doge here on TradingView, the all-time high was showing at 170 something dollars. Now if Doge pass here, I'm going to hold Doge strongly, right? I'm going to hold Doge, hold Doge, right? Now if Doge actually pass here, just know that Doge is going to go back and create a new all-time high. And if Doge go back and touch all-time high, which is 70 cents, let's go back and see. Let me bring you guys down so that you see all-time high of Doge. I think it was 70 something dollars. Okay, you are not going to see it. No, you are not going to see it here. I think you are going to see it in TradingView. TradingView. This is BitGet, so it's not showing. It's not showing fully here. If you go back to TradingView, like, you are going to see it. There's a reason why it's not showing here fully, right? Yes, mama. Breakout soon on Doge. Breakout soon on Doge. So once Doge break out here, if Doge go back to all-time high, which is 70 something dollars, yeah, I think it was 70 something dollars, right, guys? There's going to be war between early buyers and late buyers. There's got to be war. Like, there's got to be war. So once Doge break out here, something huge is going to happen. So look at it here. Doge is looking at, we're just looking at that breakout. So I get into Doge down. That was around 0.2 something. Currently, I'm in crazy profit on Doge. I'm in crazy profit, like crazy profit. Okay. What am I seeing? So this is a little breakout. Okay. So let's just see. Right? So this is a breakout here. And then from now to tomorrow, I'm very sure Doge is going to completely break out. Let me see my profit on Doge. Like, oh my gosh, guys. So the same thing I was singing, that Doge was at discounted price. That is the same. Oh my gosh, I'm in a crazy profit on Doge already, guys. Crazy profit, guys. Crazy profit, guys. Crazy profit already. Crazy profit, right? Right? So let's just see what's going to happen, guys. Oh my God! Let's say Doge just go back to $1. Oh, do you know that it's very easy for Doge to go back to $1? It's very, very easy for Doge to go back to $1. Yeah, thank you, mama. Very, very easy for Doge to go back to $1 because the all-time high. Let me check the all-time high on BitGet here, guys. So you can trade with BitGet. This is my best platform where I do trade, right? I do trade here on BitGet. Yes, okay, yeah. Doge all-time high was at 74 cents. So if Doge is going back to all-time high, then that means we're gonna see $1. We're gonna see $1 at Doge. But let's just see what's gonna happen. let us see what's going to happen, right? So, okay, let's see what Dodge is going to do. Let's see what Dodge is going to do, right? So the same discounted price I was singing on Dodge is the same discounted price I'm singing now on what? I'm singing now on the what they call pump, right? Pump. Pump. I'm singing now on pump. Where's pump? Okay. So pump is actually dropping, and this is the best time to buy pump. Guys, currently I buy BGB. I stake BGB and I'm any pump. So if you want, you can do it. If you want, you can do it. Let me check how much I'm earning already. I stake $100 worth of BGB and I'm earning Dodge. So currently I earn how much Dodge pump do I have? So currently I have 73 pump. And if you stake, you also have opportunity of any other coins. If you stake in BitGet launch pool, right? So I stake BGB worth of $100 and I'm earning like 70 something dollars. I mean 73 pump right now. And I'm going to end that in the next 10 days, remain 9 days. This is 1 day. Today is going to complete a day, 2 days, and then I'm going to end that till next 9 days. I'll be earning, and I earn on it hourly, right? Every hour I'm earning pump, and I'm still going to buy pump. I'll buy more pump. So now that pump is dropping, this is the time for me to buy pump, right? Meaning that I'm telling you and preaching you, I'm not going to relax, right? So if we come to technical analysis, that I will say, okay, let me just come to technical analysis and analyze little pump and say, when are we going to buy? Because this place here is a key level, and the reason why I say it's a key level, you are going to see it. That is the reason why you see that this, when pump come here was dropping, this candlestick here, wait, hold on, let me use part and show you. When pump was dropping, was doing higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher highs, higher low. When they come here, it respect this because this is a key level. I'm always talking about key level. You need to understand that. And then from there, it go back, one, consolidate, another candlestick, one, two, you see, then from here it break down. So this breaking down here, I'm going to buy, but I'm very sure that it's not going to come down to 0.0040. I'm not sure. So from here, I'm going to buy. I'll buy. If pump drop, I'll buy again. But let's check something. If we go back on a smaller time frame, can we see another key level here in this candlestick here, big candlestick here? Can we see a key level where we can say pump is going to drop to 8? Let's see. Let's go on smaller time frame to see if we are going to see that. Let's go to 1 hour. Okay, still there is not something to key level to talk about. And let's go on 1 hour time frame. Still this candlestick, there is no key level here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy from here. I'm going to buy pump, start buying pump from here, because if you check here, pump drop here is like pump is giving a little bit consolidation on 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame in crypto is not a joke. So let me mark it there. Now, marking it there, you see that. Let me show you guys something. Let me take it back. You see, pump is dropping. When it come here, give a very sharp rejection. Now, that sharp rejection can also serve as imbalance for the coin to break down again and continue going down. And it can also serve as a reversal that no, the market has rejected, that is not going to move to that price again. It's not going to move, continue falling again. That is the reason why we start seeing consolidation, right? So if we check here, the market reject here, a sharp rejection, and another market open with another candlestick here again, and it closed And now another candlestick up on here with a rejection, another candlestick up on here with a rejection. So here we are having, let me show you guys this. Hold on, let me use this tool, rectangle. So in between this place here, we are having one, 5 candlestick that are consolidating there. What does that tell you? That is showing you that that place may be a reversal of pump. So this place here, pump may actually start moving back. And if pump move back, where is pump going to go? Pump is going to come back at this price, which is 0.0052, because this is another key level. This thing you see here is another key level. Let me write it down. Key level, right? So this is key level. This place you see here is a key level. So if pump, hold on. So if pump consolidates here and start moving back here, pump is going to go back to this place. So pump may come back to this place, may come back down, right? Because in between this and this is a zone. So this is serving as support level and this is serving as resistance level. And you know, it may consolidate down here and do what? Break out and go back. Now let me tell you guys something. Project like this, they take like 5 to 6 months for it to peak and start doing well. That's when some people will forget about it, but activities are going on. So you know, hope I convince you now that pump.fun is actually a very good project for you to get into it. So for me, I'm going to get into pump.fun right now, right? I'm going to get into pump.fun right now. Thank you, mama. Thank you, mama. Thank you, mama. Thank you, mama. So for me, I'm going to get into pump.fun right now. Just like I get into Dodge very, very early. Guys, pump.fun is a no playground project. I'm going to get into it. And it's a long-term project. I'm just going to keep it. You know, a lot of projects that did well started like this. Like a lot of projects that did well, right? They started like this at 0.000, and today some of them are trading at $5. Kidding you not, some of them are trading at $5, some $10, some even $50. They started like this. A lot of token, a lot of coins, a lot of project, right? So pump is actually a very good project for you to get into it. But you need to understand that this is not a financial advice. I'm only giving you guys education about how crypto work, analysis. And because you need this, if you're watching this video, it means that you come here to make money and you need this kind of information for you to make money and all of that, right? So thank you very much. We are going to end this live session here because I don't want it to be long. All of that. Now there's another information here. There's another information I got when I was on live here. This is town, right? So I think in my next video, my next live stream, I'm going to be introducing this to you guys, right? But I think this requires money because I'm seeing entering 0.1 Ethereum per year, guys. Like, but this project, I get it from a trusted person, right? It's to say that okay, the project is going to be like, it's a good project. So I'm going to introduce you guys to this project on my YouTube channel here on live stream. If you want to join, you join. Let's make money together. But I'm always telling you guys, this is not a financial advice. All my videos are for educational purposes, right? So see you in my next live. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys for joining. Bye for now.